We want to solve for the value of x in this beautiful exponential equation. So let's see how we can solve for the value of x. All right, so we have 16 minus x raised to the power 2 over 3, all raised to the power of 3 equals 64 can be written as 4 raised to the power of 3, right? And indices says that if you have an equation that has the same power, a raised to the power m equals b raised to the power m, what it means is that the bases are also equal since the powers are equal, right? So since the powers are equal, we can equate their bases and continue with their bases. So we'll be having 16 minus x raised to the power 2 over 3 equals 4. No, power 2 equals 4. We don't have need for the powers again. Next, let us collect the like terms. I'll take 16 to the right hand side, or we say subtract 16 from the both sides. So I'll be having minus x squared over 3 equals 4 minus 16. Subtract 16, we'll be having minus x squared over 3 equals minus 12. All right. Now, because we have negative here, I will have negative here, we can cancel out the both of them. Because when you divide the both sides by a negative number, or you multiply the both sides by a negative number, the both of them will become positive. So we now have x raised to the power of 2 over 3 equals 12. So next, we have to cross multiply because we have a fraction. So let's deal away with the fraction. So when cross multiplied, 3 multiplies 12 and x squared multiplies 1. So that will give us x raised to the power of 2 equals 36. 36. Now you know 36 can be written as 6 squared because 36 is a perfect square. So we have it as x raised to the power of 2 equals 36 is 6 raised to the power of 2. Remember this law, it still holds. The powers are equal. We have 2 here and we have 2 here. Therefore, the bases are equal. So we can comfortably say that the value of x is what? 6. Now, let's do something interesting. We are going to substitute 6 into this left-hand side and see that when we simplify the left-hand side, if it gives us 64. Let's see. So we have 16 minus x squared over 3, all raised to the power of 3. Now this gives us 16 minus 4x. I'll put 6. 6 raised to the power of 2 over 3, all power 3. Now here we have 16 minus 6 raised to the power of 2 is 36. So I have 36 over 3, all to the power of 3. Then that gives us 16 minus 36 divided by 3 will give us 12, all power 3. Subtract here. 16 minus 12 will give us 4. So we have 4 raised to the power of what? 3. And you can bear witness with me that 4 raised to the power of 3 is 64. So we have 64 for the left-hand side, which is equal to the right-hand side. That is 64. So the value of x is true for 6. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like my video, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting math tutorials. See you in my next upload. Bye.